9785 Sonora Bend. So it is a main street there. You definitely hear the traffic outside. So I don't know how much of this can be patched or if it needs to be replaced. 3 blinds in here need to be installed. The flooring looks pretty good. I would think 100% repaint. We're at 6 blinds. 1 is really wide. I want to repaint that gate. Junk items as necessary. I know someone who junked one of these and it was about $350, but I think that may have been a good price. I don't know what this is though. Oh, and a vertical. We need a vertical. That's an interesting fan. It's kind of a small kitchen just because of the fridge placement. I have a little dent and a crack here in the microwave. The range looks nice. There's some insulation there in the dishwasher. Undermount, gooseneck, nice. Missing drawer. Okay. So we have a blind, a drape covering a window there, and we have a washer or a dryer, whichever that is. So again, the junking expense. I think these really make it look dated. We replaced these all with landlord locks anyway, so. The problem is then we have brass here, and we have chrome there. So you might want to replace some of the interior door handles. We need a stopper there. Okay, so, and a blind here. Ooh. Wow. These blinds look good. Oh, okay. Small closet for such a large room. Laundry upstairs with tile. Good, good. So we'd remove all these when it's repainted. It's a nice fan. Has a light kit too. Okay. Carpet seems great, by the way. Oh, okay, we have double doors. We need to remove stuff like this. Same fan. This one has the ensuite, so this is a master. Need a little stopper. Need a little stopper. The interior piece is missing, so probably replace both of these faucets. That looks a little rusty. Okay, so that's that. Oh, here we go. Sorry. It's a pretty small shower.